Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Den. Today I'm going to show you one of my all-time favorite snack recipes that's healthy and delicious. I use chickpeas to make hummus with just a few items from the pantry. The list of ingredients are posted at the end of my video. If you do like this video on Cooking Den, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting new videos regularly. Please feel free to leave your comments below. So let's get started. Add 1 cup of chickpeas to the blender jar and 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of tahini paste, which is also called sesame paste, and a teaspoon of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 100 ml of water, about half a cup, and blend all this together in a blender. I forgot to add the lemon juice, so add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and blend the mixture. I usually blend till I have a smooth consistency with a few chunks. Decorate with olive oil and chickpeas and a little paprika, and you have a delicious snack ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.